さあ、それではコーリマグブースのバーバラさんにお話をお伺いしてまいります。こちらの会社についてご説明をお願いします。
Hello, good afternoon. So, talking about Corimag, was established in 1984 in Italy. We are an Italian manufacturer of working tools for hydraulic breakers and spare parts. Our core business are our special tools which we patented. This is a special patent that we had in 1996, and this one is a new product which is very much suitable for working on very hard rocks like basalt and granites. And the specific characteristic of this tool is the hard metal insert, which is made of a special material, and it's one of our best products. And then we have the anti-sazer bashing, which is also made by a casting material that is made on our recipe according to our specification. And the main characteristic is that the tool and the bushing don't size together, so the breakages of the tools significantly decrease. Then we have all the standard tools for all brands, suitable for the aftermarket.
コーリマグブースにお伺いしました。ありがとうございました。